You want to say it? Welcome back to the channel, Valpals. Today I am with my friend Jean and we're doing a little self-care night, a little too hot to handle night, and we're doing face masks. So let's go. Look at this lighting.
So much better.
Biz.
So
Yes.
much better.
Okay, which one would you like? White collagen. And I will do, should I do platinum? Wine. I'm doing wine. I've got like all of these in my mini fridge. We gotta take off my makeup. I'm
From the Hello
lashes
Kitty
on.
haul, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is the moment. I just remember this one day when I started growing out my bangs. What was it, last year?
Oh,
And I went to school one time with I had my bangs pinned up or something, and Donovan was like, whoa! It was pretty funny.
The forehead blindness was real.
Yeah, it was real. Compare. Look how small yours is. I'm not gonna be able to open it. My hands are all, yeah.
Because when I was in high school, I cut myself a mullet.
What?
I cut my hair, and it was a mullet.
Oh,
Yeah. I will never revisit.
Weren't you talking about the other day how you wanted one?
For context, it was just because I saw a really cool one on Instagram that was done professionally.
Mine smells like wine.
Oh my gosh.
It's
does
like
smell like
really
wine.
strong.
It's like red wine.
I did not pull enough hair back. Aren't these things handy though?
I know. They're so perfect. I love them. Oh, I look awful.
No.
Val.
I can't even get mine on.
I look like Bubble Bash from SpongeBob.
No, you do
I
not.
look like...
I feel like my cheekbones are very, very prominent.
I know. My face is now a circle. There is no oval anymore.
Oh, mine's already tingling though.
I know mine is kind of. I like it.
Okay, we're gonna leave these on for 20 minutes and go watch Too Hot to Handle.
We will be back.
Yeah.
All refreshed.
Yes. My favorite person so far is Catherine.
I think I like Brie.
Oh, she's so
Catherine
funny.
is so pretty. Oh my gosh.
she
But Brie
is.
is funny, so.
She is so
Brie is
freaking
funny.
hilarious.
I know.
Okay.
Favorite guy though?
Do I have to choose?
No, they're all bad. That was a trick question.
Yeah.
Trick question.
I can't even think of one.
Oh, they're so. I don't even like any of them.
What's
the
that
women?
weird one's name?
The women are cool. The men suck.
Yes. And they are like really weird. They're very
no.
interesting characters. Although I don't know what I would have done if I was on the show, but I feel like everyone.
I would have done with what the last guy did. Just left. He just got up and left. Like we haven't seen him anymore.
Wait, who?
Remember the guy that was like, he had that really huge crush on Flavia, and they went on that date.
Oh yeah. He just left.
He just left.
That poor dude.
Same though. Same.
This is what we would do. Although we also have our men at home.
Who are
So,
wonderful.
Yeah.
Wouldn't trade them for anything.
Yeah, Ian drove us to get Taco Bell. He's the best. Shout out. Shout out. Why did this not show up in my continue watching? We literally just pushed start. Oh, she looks like someone I used to work with. Oh my god. Okay, masks are off. Our skin glowing.
Glowing.
Cute. And we're using this Vita C Dark Spot Care Serum. Did you like this last time?
It felt so good.
Good.
It cleared my face up so well.
It's so good.
It's cold. I love that it's cold.
Yes. Perks of the mini fridge. It's all good for the depuffing.
Anything would take the red away, seriously.
True. It is supposed to be really good for like anti-redness. I will say, these mini fridges are only like 30-40 bucks on Amazon.
Oh, that's nothing.
Like, it's really not bad.
Not at all.
I don't know how much electricity it's using, but when I was in Florida with my mom, we went to this place to get facials done. And I felt so, like, I always do the red light therapy for anti-aging. And when they also did the red light therapy on me specifically, I was like, I felt so validated. That's the word. I was doing the right thing.
Right, like you felt like your process was correct.
Yeah. Like, I made the right choice for my skin.
That makes sense, because sometimes I'm like, what if I don't know what I'm doing and the whole thing is a joke? You know, what if it's all a myth and I'm just doing all this for nothing? You know? And then a professional does it and you're like, oh, okay, it's cool.
Exactly. Because, like, I also use stuff from the dermatologist. And in my mind, that stuff very much keeps my skin clear. So I'm like, don't know if all this other stuff is the right choice for my skin. Also, I'm just thinking about how much I like these lashes.
They look so good. And they're so natural, too.
Thank you, thank you. I just like how my other lashes are really heavy and the ends will lift. And I like how these just kind of stay.
What brand?
It's the same brand, Ardell.
Okay.
But these, let me see. So these are the naked lashes, and these are the ones I normally wear.
Ooh, I love them.
They're just like, these are so huge. Huge and more natural. I like them. I just like how these are more pointy, but that's okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's like the aesthetic you're going for that day. You're going for more like a full eye, like little toned eye.
True, true.
But they're both pretty. They're both pretty.
Yes. I just like how much more natural these look. But it's good. It's good.
I've always wanted to try lashes, but I get nervous. I'm like, what if, I don't know, what if the glue gets in my eye or something happens and then I'm like, done, it's over.
I always get the glue in my eye. Because I get really paranoid, so instead of only applying it to the strip, I also apply it to the corners of my eyes because like
got you.
lifting is embarrassing.
That is fair.